Children, let's we learn main course book in standard 7 English medium. Chapter number 13, exponents and powers. Exponents and powers. In previous video I solved exercise number 13.1. Today I am solving exercise number 13.2. Question number 1, using laws of exponents, simplify and write the answer in exponential form. Exponential form. Using laws of exponents, simplify and write the answer in exponential form. Here both base is same. 3 raised to power 2, 3 raised to power 4 and multiply with 3 raised to power 8. Now the law of exponents is first is a raised to m multiply a raised to n multiply a raised to p is equal to a raised to power m plus n plus p. So here 3 raised to power 2 multiply with 3 raised to power 4 multiply with 3 raised to power 8. So we do here 3 raised to 2 power 2 plus 4 plus 8. So 8 plus 2 10 plus 4 14. So we get answer here 3 raised to power 14. 3 raised to power 14. Now 6 raised to power of 15. 6 raised to power of 15 divide with 6 raised to power of 10. So rules of a raised to m divided by a raised to n is equal to a raised to m minus n. M minus n. So 6 raised to 15 minus 10. So here 6 raised to answer 5. It is called exponential form. 6 raised to power of 5. Next one here, a cube, a raised to power 3 and a raised to power of 2. So a raised to power 3 plus 2. So a raised to power 5. A raised to 5. A raised to power of 5. Now here 7 raised to x plus 7 raised to 2. 7 raised to x multiply with 7 raised to 2 is equal to 7 raised to x plus 2. 7 raised to x plus 2. 7 raised to power of x plus 2. Now here in the bracket, first we solve the bracket. Bracket outside here digit and bracket inside here exponent. Here both relation is multiplication. So 5 raised to 2 3s are 6. 2 3s are 6. 5 raised to power of 6 divide with 5 raised to 3. Now 5 raised to 6, 5 raised to power of 6 divide with 5 raised to 3. Here division, that means minus 6 minus 3. So 5 raised to power of 3, yeah, 5 raised to cubed. Now here first we solve bracket. So 2 raised to power of 20 minus 15 multiply with the 2 raised to power of 3. Now here 2 raised to 5 power of 5 multiply 2 raised to 3. So 2 raised to 5 plus 3. So 2 raised to power of 8. Remember one thing, multiply that means add it and division that means subtract it. The power subtract it and multiply the power add it. Question number 2, simplify and express each of the following exponential forms. Simplify and express each of the following in exponential form. First one, 2 raised to power 3 multiply 3 raised to power 4 multiply 4 divide by 3 multiply 32. So 2 raised to 3 multiply 3 raised to 4. Now 2 2s are 4. So 4 we write there 2 square. Out of here 3 multiply 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 16 2s are 32. That means 2 raised to power 5. 32, that means 2 raised to power 5. Now here 3 raised to 1, 2 raised to 3, 2 raised to 3 plus 2, multiply 3 raised to 4, out of 2 raised to 5, multiply 3 raised to 1. Here 2 raised to 5, multiply 3 raised to 4, out of 2 raised to 5, multiply 3 raised to 1. Here 2 raised to 5 minus 5, multiply 3 raised to 4 minus 1. So 2 raised to 0, multiply 3 raised to 3. 2 raised to 0, that means 1. 1 multiply power of 3 raised to 3. 3 power of 3. So we get answer here 3 raised to power of 3. 3 raised to power of 3. 2 raised to 0's value is 1. 2 raised to 0's value is 1. So we get answer here 3 raised to power of 3. Now next here, in bracket 5 raised to 2 multiply with a 3, multiply 5 raised to 4, divide with a 5 raised to 7, 5 raised to power 7. First we solve bracket 5, 2 3s are 6, multiply 5 raised to power of 4, divide with the 5 raised to 7. Now here 5, 6 plus 4, divide with the 5 raised to 7. So 5 raised to 10, divide with the 5 raised to 7. Now 5 raised to 10 minus 7 is equal to 5 raised to 3. Now here last answer is 5 raised to 3. Now next question number 3. Say true or false and justify your answer. Say true or false and justify your answer. Here first one, 10 multiply 10 raised to power 11 is equal to 100 raised to power of 11. So first left hand side, it is called left hand side, it is called right hand side. So left hand side, 10 raised to 10 multiply 10 raised to power of 11. So here 10 raised to 1 plus 11 is equal to 10 raised to 12. And here right hand side 100, that means 10 raised to 2 multiplied with 11. So 10 raised 11 2s are 22. So both are not same. So the given statement is false. The given statement is false. Here 10 raised to 12 and here the right hand side 10 raised to 22. So the given statement is false. Now here 2 raised to 3, power of 3 greater than 5 raised to 2. So 2 raised to 3, so 2 multiply 2 multiply 2. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. And here power 5 raised to 2 is equal to 5 multiply 5. So 25. Here left hand side and right hand side is not equal. Not equal. Not greater. Not greater. So this the given statement is false. The given statement is false. Here 3 raised to 0, power of 0 is equal to 1 and 1000 raised to power of 0 is equal to 1. So L is equal to R. The given statement is right. The given statement is right. Now next question, express each of the following as a product of prime factor only in exponential form. Express each of the following as a product of prime factor only exponential form. Now here 108 divide with 2. 2 5s are 10 and 2 4s are 8. 2 2s are 4, 2 7s are 14. 3 9s are 27, 3 3s are 9, 3 1s are 3. 192. 2 9s are 18. 2 9s are 18. 1 left. 2 6s are 12. 2 4s are 8. and 2 8s are 16. That means 48 2s are 96. 2 2s are 4 and 2 4s are 8. 24 2s are 48. 12 2s are 24. 2 6s are 12. 2 3s are 6 and 3 1s are 3. Now here 108 is equal to 1 2 multiply 2 multiply 3 multiply 3 multiply 3 and 192 is equal to 1 2 3 4 5 6 times. 1 2 3 4 5 and 6 times and only one here 3 1 time. Now 108 multiply 192 is equal to 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. 2 raised to power 8 multiply 1 2 3 4. 3 raised to power of 4. 108 multiply 192 is equal to 2 raised to power of 8 multiply 3 raised to power of 4. Now 270, first we divide with a 2. 2 1s are 2. 2 3s are 6 and 2 5s are 10. Now this number is divisible by 3 is a possible. 5 plus 3 8, 8 plus 1 9. So 9, that means 3 is a possible. 3 4s are 12 and 3 5s are 15. 3 15s are 45. 3 5s are 15 and 5 1s are 5. Now 270 is equal to 2 multiply 3 multiply 3 multiply 3 multiply 5 is equal to 2 multiply 3 raised to power of 3 multiply 5. The exponential form of 270 is equal to 2 multiply 3 raised to power of 3 multiply 5. Next question, question number 5, simplify. First one, 2 raised to 5 raised to 2. 2 raised to 5 raised to 2 multiply 7 raised to power of 3. So 2 raised to 5 multiply 2 multiply 7 raised to power of 3. Now 2 5s are 10. 2 raised to 10 multiply 7 raised to 3. Multiply here 7 raised to 3. Now next question, question number 5, simplify. First one, 2 raised to 5 raised to 2 multiply 7 raised to cube divide with 8 raised to power of 3 multiply 7. Now here first one, 2 5 multiply 2 multiply 7 cube. Here 2 cube, 2 multiply 2 multiply 2. 2 2s are 4, 2s are 8. That means 2 cube multiply with 7. 2 5 2s are 10 multiply 7 cube. 2 3 3s are 9 multiply with here 7. Now 2 10 minus 9 multiply here 7 3 minus 1. Here only 2 raised to 1 multiply 7 raised to 2. 2 multiply 7 multiply 7. 7 7s are 49. 49 2s are 49. 2 9s are 18. 1 carry. 2 4s are 8 plus 9 98. So we get answer here last 98. 9 2s are 18 carry over 1. 4 2s are 8 plus 1 here 9 98. So this simplifies answer is 98. Now here next one, 5 multiply 5. 5 5s are 25. 5 multiply 5. So 25 5 power of 2 multiply 5 raised to 2 multiply t raised to 8. Then here 10 raised to 3. 10 raised to 3, that means 2 5s are 10 power of 3 multiply 10 raised to 4. 5 2 plus 2 multiply t raised to 8 power of 8, 2 cube multiply 5 cube multiply t raised to 4. So here we get answer 5 raised to 4 multiply t raised to 8 out of 5 cube multiply t raised to 4 and 2 raised to 3. Now here 5 4 minus 3 out of 2 cube multiply t raised to 8 minus 4. So here 5 raised to 1 t raised to 4 out of 2 raised to cube. So here we can answer what? 5t raised to power of 4 divided with the 2 power of 3. 2 raised to power of 3. Now here next one 3 raised to 5. Then 10, that means 2 multiply 5 is equal to raised to 5. Multiply here 5, 5 is 25, 5 raised to 2. Now 5 raised to 7 multiply 3 2s are 6 raised to 5. Now remove the bracket 2 raised to 5 multiply 5 raised to 5 multiply 5 raised to 2 out of 5 raised to 7 multiply 2 raised to 5 multiply 3 raised to 5. Now 3 raised to 5 2 multiply 2 raised to 5 multiply 5 plus 2 7 out of here 3 raised to 5 multiply 2 raised to 5 multiply 5 raised to 7. 7 7 cut it, 2 2 cut it, 3 raised to 5 cut it. Here what left? 3 raised to 0 multiply 2 raised to 0 multiply 5 raised to 0. So 1 multiply 1 multiply 1. We get answer here last 1. 1 1s are 1, 1 1s are 1. Last we get answer 1. Now next exercise, exercise number 13.3, question number 1. Write the following number in expanded forms. You know about how to write number in expanded forms. Write the following numbers in expanded form. Now here first 2,79,404. 2 stand on lakhs place, 7 stand on 70,000 place, 9 10 stand on 9,000, 4 stand on 400, 0 10 and 4 1. So 2 multiply 1 lakh plus 7 multiply 10,000 plus 9 multiply 1,000 plus 4 multiply 100, then 0 multiply 10, then 4 multiply with a 1. So 2 multiply 1 2 3 4 5 10 raised to 5 plus 7 multiply 10 raised to 4 10 raised to power 4, then 9 multiply 10 raised to power 3 plus 4 multiply 10 raised to 2 plus 0 multiply 10 raised to 1 and plus here 4 1, that means 10 raised to 0. It is called expanded form of 2,79,404. Now next one here 3 multiply 100, 10,000, lakh and 10 lakh. So 10 lakh, then 6 multiply 1,000, then 1 multiply with 100 plus 9 multiply with 10, then 4 multiply with 1. Then here 3 multiply 1 2 3 4 5 6, 10 raised to power 6 plus 6 multiply 1 2 3, 10 raised to power 3 plus 1 multiply 10 raised to power 2, then 9 multiply 10 raised to 1. Then 4 multiply 10 raised to 0. It is called expanded form of 30,06,194. Now next question. Find the number from each of the following expanded form. Find the number of each of the following expanded forms. So 8 multiply with 10 raised to 4. So 8, 1, 2, 3, 4 plus it's make 80,000. Then 6 multiply with 10 raised to power 3. So 1, 2, 3 plus 0 plus 4 times are 40 plus here 5. Then it's make 86,045. 86,045. Now here next 9 10 raised to 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That means 9 lakh. 9 lakh plus 2 multiply 10 raised to 2. That means 200 plus here 30. So 900,230. That means 9,230. 9,230. Now next question. Question number 3. Express the following number in standard form. Express the following numbers in standard form. What is the standard form? Any number can be expressed as a decimal number between 1.0 and 10.0, including 1.0 multiplied by power of 10. Such a form of a number is called standard form. Here 5 crore, 5 multiply with crore, 5 multiply with 1 crore. So 5 multiply 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 10 raised to 7, 10 raised to power of 7. So this form is called standard form of 5 crore. This form is called standard form of 5 crore. Now here 70 lakh. So 7 multiply with 10 lakh. 7 multiply with 10 lakh. So 7 multiply 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 10 raised to 6 power of 6. So this form is called standard form of 70 lakh. This form is called standard form of 70 lakh. Next number, here number 3. 3,90,873 divided with 10,000. So 39873 divide with 10,000. Divide with 1 lakh. Sorry, 1 lakh and multiply with 1 lakh. And multiply with 1 lakh. So here 3,90,873 write in the decimal form. So 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 3.9873 multiply 10 raised to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 10 raised to 5. So here this digit multiply with a lakh and divide with also lakh. And we can here standard form of 3,90,873. 3.90873 multiply 10 raised to power 5. Multiply 10 raised to power of 5. Thank you, students.